Good morning students. Welcome to my video. Let's know the CBSE 12th exam pattern for the academic year 2021 and 2022. CBSE 12th exam pattern 2022. Due to the unpredictable nature of the COVID-19 pandemic, the CBSE has come up with a new CBSE assessment plan and has implemented it. CBSE academic session 2021-22 has been divided into two terms. Assessment of Term 1 will be based on 50% of the CBSE syllabus and assessment of Term 2 will be based on the rest 50% of the syllabus. Every CBSE Class 12 student must have complete knowledge about the new changes to score well in CBSE exams. Students need to perform well in every exam, internals Term 1 and 2. Here are complete details from the latest CBSE circular. New rationalized CBSE Class 12 Syllabus 2021-2022 for Term 1 and Term 2 has been published by the board online. Term 1 exam of CBSE Class 12 will be based on the 50% CBSE Class 12 syllabus. Term 2 exam of CBSE Class 12 will be based on the rest of the 50% CBSE Class 12 syllabus. Here are complete details from the latest CBSE circular. CBSE Class 12 Exam Schedule 2021-2022, Term 1 and Term 2. CBSE 12 Term 1 exams 2021-22 will be held in November-December 2021, while Term 2 exams will be conducted in March or April. Term 1 exams will be conducted in the respective schools of students. Term 2 exams will be conducted at CBSE designated examination centers. Changes will be done depending on the situation due to COVID-19. CBSE Class 12 Exam Pattern 2021-2022, Term 1 and Term 2. CBSE Class 12 Sample Papers 2021-2022 for Term 1 and 2 along with CBSE Question Bank and other resources has been provided by the board. Resources will be provided by the board before the exam. Internal assessment, round the year irrespective of Term 1 and 2 would include end-of-topic or unit tests, exploratory activities, practical exams, projects. CBSE Class 12 Term 1 Exam 2021 and 2022. Exams will be conducted for all subjects in offline mode. MCQs-based question paper prepared by CBSE. The paper will have multiple choice questions, MCQ, including case-based MCQs and MCQs on the assertion reasoning type. Duration of test, 90 minutes. Answers to be marked on OMR sheet. Students will get 20 minutes extra to read the question paper. CBSE Class 12 Term 2 Exam 2021-2022. Subjective paper. The paper will be of 2 hours duration and have questions of different formats: case-based, situation-based, open-ended, short answer, long answer type. Duration of test, 2 hours in case if the situation is not good. Then, instead of a normal descriptive exam, 90 minutes MCQ-based exam will be conducted at the end of Term 2 also. Knowing the CBSE exam pattern enables a student to prepare for CBSE 12th exams 2022 in a better way by making them aware of important aspects of an exam. CBSE Class 12 exam pattern 2021-22 is divided into 3 main streams, namely science, commerce, and arts. Some subjects of CBSE 12th 2022 are common for all stream students. This year, the board will conduct CBSE 12th board exams in 2 terms. Term 1 examinations will contain only MCQs, while for Term 2, the question paper will consist of the following type of questions. Very short answer questions, 1 mark each, short answer type questions I, 2 marks each, short answer type questions 2, 3 marks each, value based question, 4 marks, and long answer type questions, 5 marks each. A student needs to obtain a minimum of 33% passing marks to qualify. Students should know the complete CBSE 12th syllabus and exam pattern to prepare well for the exams. CBSE assessment plan in various situations. In case the situation of the COVID-19 pandemic improves and students can come to CBSE schools or centers for taking the exams, board would conduct Term I and Term 2 exams at schools, centers, and the theory marks will be distributed equally between the 2 exams. In the case of the COVID-19 pandemic forces complete closure of CBSE schools during November-December 2021, but Term 2 exams are held at schools or centers. Term 1 MCQ-based examination would be done by students online, offline from home. In this case, the weightage of this exam for the final score would be reduced, and weightage of Term 2 exams will be increased for declaration of final result. In case the COVID-19 pandemic forces complete closure of schools during March-April 2022, but Term I exams are held at CBSE schools or centers. CBSE result would be based on the performance of students on Term I MCQ-based examination and internal assessments. The weightage of marks of Term I examination conducted by the board will be increased to provide year-end results of students. In case the COVID-19 pandemic forces complete closure of schools and board-conducted Term I and II exams are taken by the students from home in the session 2021-22. CBSE result would be computed based on the internal assessment, project work, practical and theory marks of Term I and Term II exams taken by the student from home in Class 10 subject to the moderation or other measures to ensure validity and reliability of the assessment. In all the above scenario, data analysis of marks of students will be initiated to ensure the integrity of internal assessments and home-based exams. For the benefit of students, I have listed the important books and guides in the description which will be useful for new pattern of exams. I would request the students to own a copy of yours and prepare for the exams well. Please comment in the comment section if you have any queries.